Hey guys, how to return items on Shein. So first of all, what you need to do, go ahead and click me at the bottom right, the Shein website. And then what you're gonna do, go ahead to your orders and click next to my orders, view all, right? And then you're gonna see all of your orders, right? If you have an order that you paid for, right? Or maybe it's in the processing in the processing mode, you could go ahead and click the basically the product details, and from there you can choose to return that item if it's not in the shipped process, right? If the product is shipped, it means you will have to receive it in order to ask for a refund or return that item. Or sometimes in some cases they don't have a return policy. So basically you could go ahead and make sure that your order is in the processing area, so you can refund or ask for refund or cancel the order. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.